How to add the stickers on your story Instagram. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram as you see. Then when your Instagram is opening, you go to your story. For example, you want to add a new story, you will choose the picture that you want to add. Then you will go to uh, you will just click and go up, like swipe up. Then you will go down and you will find a lot of stickers. For example, I wanna stickers of ACDC. For example, I will find it. Yeah, for example, this is stickers of ACDC. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.